Tired of outdated contacts and incorrect deals cluttering up your Pipedrive? It is so frustrating when you know the information is wrong, but you just cannot seem to find where to fix it. Well, you are in the right place. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the exact process to edit any field in any record in under 2 minutes. No more guessing, no more data errors, just a repeatable process that works every single time. So here's the plan. We are going to cover how to open any record, click on the right field, make the change, and then verify it actually saved. Let us dive in with the first step. All right, so I have got Pipedrive open right here on my screen. Now, the first thing you need to do is find the right section. If you want to edit a contact, you go to Contacts. If it is a deal, you click Deals. Same for organizations, leads, or activities. Just click the section that holds the record you need to update. That is your starting point. Now, once you are in the right section, find the specific record. For example, let us say I need to update a contact. I will scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the person I am looking for. Once I spot them, I click directly on their name or their deal title to open that record. This opens up the full details page for that item. And here is the really important part. Once the record is open, take a second to look at the fields. You will see things like name, email, phone number, deal value, or stages. Locate the specific piece of information that you need to change. Maybe the phone number is wrong, or the deal stage has moved. Find that field and get ready to click on it. So now, go ahead and click directly on the field you want to edit. In Pipedrive, most fields are inline editable, which means clicking them turns them into a text box or a drop-down menu. You will see it light up or change appearance. That is your cue that you are now in edit mode. Now you can type the new information. If it is a text field, like an email address, just delete the old entry and type the correct one. If it is a drop-down field, like a deal stage or a contact type, click the drop-down and select the new option. Take your time here and make sure you enter it correctly. After you have made the change, give it a quick review. Double-check that the new information looks right. Did you spell the name correctly? Did you pick the right stage? This is your chance to catch a simple mistake before it saves. Now, some fields in Pipedrive will save automatically as soon as you click away or press enter. But other times, you might see a save button or a checkmark icon appear. If you see a save option, click it. That ensures your change is locked in. Give Pipedrive a moment to process the update. This usually happens instantly, but on slower connections or with very large records, you might see a brief loading spinner. Just wait a second for that to finish. And here is the step I always do to make sure everything worked. Click away from the field or refresh the page if you need to. Then look at the record again. Does the field show your new information? If yes, you are good to go. That confirms your edit was saved successfully to your workspace. So now you know the exact process. Find the record, click the field, make the change, and verify it's stuck. It is that simple. Go ahead and give it a try with one of your own records. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.